Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? I wish you will be in good state of health with your loved ones. Today I am sharing with you very quick, easy and super yummy mug cake recipe. All ingredients you can easily found in description and on screen. This is so yummy and can be easily prepared within 2 minutes. To make this recipe you need maida, all-purpose flour, sugar, oil, baking powder, fresh milk at room temperature, salt, sprinkles of your choice. It is totally optional. I am making this mug cake in ceramic bowl, or you can use your regular tea cup or coffee cup or any other microwave safe bowl. Simply mix all the ingredient in same bowl. Mix it properly to avoid any lumps and then put it in microwave for 2 minutes. Timings may vary from different microwaves, so you need to check with skewer or toothpick. If found sticky, keep it for further 30 seconds. After 2 minutes, take out cup carefully as it will be super hot. Keep it for few minutes to settle it and then enjoy with your friends. I hope you will love it. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more amazing content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.